Hello everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to install mods in 2020 on your Minecraft. Uh, Today we're going to be installing mods for 1.7.10, but this can be done with our versions as well. So here I have my two links. This is going to be Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod. It is available for 1.12.2, but for this example I'm going to be using 1.7.10. What we want to do first is we want to download Forge, and how to do that is you go here and you will install this one, the recommended one. Just click this and it will bring you through this, and after that we're just gonna install it. So let's just wait for it to install. So we want to put yes and we'll just install the client, so just press OK. And when that's done, you should be able to see something. You can close this out, by the way. You will see something like that on your Minecraft. So let me just open this. Forge. Yeah, it automatically put it. So it's Forge. You will see it here. So you want to start this up. And it should be loading now. It doesn't have any mods, of course. So it should load in finally. The three mods installed are just the Coder Pack, Forge, and the Minecraft Forge. So yeah, now this is all working. You want to quit and you want to go to back here. You want to go to Files and find 1.7.10 because our Forge is also 1.7.10. And let me just find that real quick. Okay, so I found the 1.7.10. Of course, it's very popular, so I'm just gonna download this. While this is downloading, I want to do this and put it, press a keep and then put it on my desktop. And after that, I can close this as well, but I'm gonna leave it. I can do that. And now we need to do percent up data percent enter. I'm gonna go to Minecraft and there's gonna be a mods folder. If there isn't one, just do this, new folder, and name it mods, and it should be empty. Then you just want to take this and drag it over here. And now you should start your Minecraft. It has to be the Forge, so start it up. As you can see, it's loading now. So now we'll show four mods, and if you click here, it's gonna show Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod. So we can go to single player, create new world, creative, and let's see if it works. Okay, so now as you can see, it even says it here. Thank you for installing. And if you press E, we can go here and all the items we can see here. So as we can see here, I can place it on the floor, I can use it, it's all working. So yeah, if you want to support me, please leave a like. I try to keep this as short as possible.